Anybody see what happened?
Did you?
No. Did you see what happened?
No. But I think I heard they were chasing, I might have been chasing someone.
You didn't see what happened, did you?
I didn't see the crash, but I saw when they were chasing the other guy.
Can I talk? I'm with the NBC Bay Area News. Can I talk to you about it?
Sure.
Okay. Is it okay I get your camera?
I don't really want to do camera.
Okay. Can I use your name?
Sure.
What is it?
Kiara.
Kiara. And what'd you see?
So earlier, I didn't see the crash itself, but they were speed chasing another car over there at the light by the Starbucks.
When you say they, who do you mean?
The cops. The sheriff was after him. And so they did a few turns. We went to Safeway because we're like, let's get out of the way because we have the babies. Because they passed right by us. And then when we got out of Safeway, we saw that they had blocked off this whole street, and we just saw that, you know, what we thought was a car going to stop us.
And so you were where, and they were heading which direction?
So we were at the light right here by the Starbucks. I'm not sure what the street name is. But
Lundy and Lundy and Berryessa.
Yeah, so we were on Lundy and Berryessa about to make a left, and they passed. They went right past us on our right-hand side, and they made a left going that way. And then they came back around, and he went towards this way.
Were there a lot of cars?
What we saw was just one sheriff going after one vehicle.
And that's this vehicle here.
It was not this vehicle. No, it was a gold. I'm assuming that he hit this car.
Oh, okay.
Whoever they were chasing.
And you don't see the vehicle that was being chased, do you?
No, I don't. So I don't know if they got him or not.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think this might have just been somebody that was at the light.
Yeah. Okay.
Because he was going pretty fast.
Yeah. And how long ago was that?
Maybe like 20 minutes now.
20 minutes, so about 1 o'clock, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And we don't know who's hurt. Okay. All right. And Anything else?
No, I mean, it looked dangerous though, that's it, yeah.
Could we use your last name too?
Sure. Orozco.
How do you spell that?
It's Orosco.
And you're from San Jose?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. If we, I won't use it in the report, but in case we have any questions, can we follow up with a phone number?
Sure. It's 408-694-27.
Great, thank you very much. Yeah, I can see why they're so concerned if this is a, I mean, injuries with a chase. So
Yeah, he chased, and like I said, we got out off the road right away. He was about, it felt like he was going to lose